Hello all. So today we are going to understand the most powerful, useful and most trending JavaScript framework out of Angular, React and Vue.js. Before diving into it more, I would like to welcome you all in my YouTube channel where you will find all your needs. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. Before comparison, let's understand what is Angular, what is React and what is Vue.js. I have listed down some points here. We will understand one by one. These all three technologies are developed using one single language, that is JavaScript. So those three are the subset of JavaScript. So here first point which we are going to discuss is type. Angular and Vue is a comprehensive framework that includes everything you need to build a large scale application. Whereas React is a library rather than a full framework, which allows for more flexibility in choosing third-party libraries and tools. Angular is developed by Google in 2010 as AngularJS. Later, they have launched completely different framework called Angular 2 in 2014. React is developed by Facebook in 2013 and Vue is developed by Evan You in 2014. Evan You is the ex-employee of the Google. He is individually handling the Vue.js framework. Angular is using TypeScript language, whereas React and Vue is using JavaScript. So you should know TypeScript before choosing the Angular. All three are having component-based architecture. Component-based architecture is very powerful for code reusability point of view. If you don't know more about it, then stay tuned for the upcoming videos because we are going to start new series very soon. Angular and React having large community support, whereas it's growing for Vue.js. All three are good documented. You will find everything properly. Next is size. Angular application often have large initial bundle size. This can result in slower initial load time for users. And if you talk about the React and Vue, it's smaller. Due to this, their performance is high. Angular is very large. They provide a lot of feature which is required for a large scale application. React and Vue is smaller in size. Due to this, you have to be dependent on third-party packages. As you will get multiple choices of third-party libraries in React and Vue, you will feel that it is flexible. In case of Angular, you will find everything in framework itself. You can use third-party libraries as well in Angular, but if you are getting that in Angular framework itself, then why someone should find it somewhere else? New learner might find it challenging and time-consuming to learn and become proficient in Angular due to its full-fledged framework that provides comprehensive set of features. Whereas React and Vue is generally easier to learn than Angular. But yes, you must be good in core concept if you are choosing React or Vue. So till now we have seen what is Angular, what is React and what is Vue. And now let's understand when to use what. Before start learning any new front-end technology, you must know why you are approaching that framework and what are feature of it. So here I have listed down some use cases where you will get to know that which should you choose out of this. So here first use case is application level. If you want to develop enterprise application, which means large scale application like customer relationship managers, ERP system, e-commerce platform, healthcare, banking, financial related application, then you should choose Angular as Angular framework having all features which are required to develop such large applications. If you want to develop moderate small application which requires interactive UI, then you should choose React or Vue. Performance wise, React and Vue is better because they are using virtual DOM concept. Angular is also good in performance, but when you compare with the other two, then it's definitely bit slow. Last use case is binding. Angular and Vue are both having the two-way data binding, whereas React is having one-way data binding. This is very important concept which everyone should know before choosing anyone. We can't cover binding concept right now as this is not a small concept. We are going to cover it in our upcoming videos, so please stay tuned. Also, here are some analysis. In first picture, you can find which framework is having more jobs. In second picture, you will find country-wise which framework is having more jobs. In third picture, you will find platform-wise which framework is having more jobs. And in last picture, you will find that most popular apps in which framework.